Hey Diego, do you know what they call the most amazing sake in Japan?
Let me hold you.
Here. Amazake! So we are in Sakaiminato today and we're gonna try out some amazing food. So if you're ready, let's go! That is the best, freshest, largest oyster I've ever had. I think I should really move to Japan. I'm definitely going to try the barbecue thing the next time I come. But for now, sushi. Let's go! Horse meat. Horse meat. So I'm gonna try this. Is Mimi horse meat? Sakura niku. Just it's good. It tastes like minced tuna, almost, but like a deeper kind of flavor. It's nice.
Bounce it.
If you're ever in Sakaiminato, you must come to this place. So, as a magician for many years, people always ask me one question. The number one question people always ask me as a magician is, do I exercise? Yeah. Do you? Well, as you can see. But I do exercise one thing. I do exercise with playing cards, and I exercise by cutting exactly to a certain number of cards. Okay? I can cut exactly to 10 cards. Like this. Okay? And I know this is 10 cards. Now you gotta trust me. Use this as a gauge and cut about 10 cards and put it on the table. No, just cut off on the top. Roughly you think about 10. Okay, put it on the table, let's see. Okay, that's a little bit less, but it's okay. Try, cut about 10 and put it on the table. That's definitely too much, I think. Okay, Hero, your turn. Try, cut about 10 cards. It's a bit less also, lesser than this one. Now, technically speaking, if you cut to 10, 10, and 10, how many cards should I be left with? 22, right? 52 minus 30. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, right? So I mean, you were close, but not, off by a little bit.
Yeah, I was compensating.
Yeah. Yes, here's the interesting part. Because you guys didn't practice how to cut 10 cards. I did. So how you did that, I'm not sure. You see, you cut to the 10. The 10. And then
What the fuck?
I have no clue. Oh my god.
Can I
Check, yeah, it's all yours to check, yeah. Of course you can check.
Oh god. God.
Thank you! Yay! Thank you, Diego! It's raining and we are trying to head back to the shuttle bus, back to the ship. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.